Picture this. You blink, and before your eyelid hits bottom, a Wall Street bot has made, and probably spent, more money than you'll see in a decade.
No exaggeration. High-frequency trading algorithms move so fast, they can execute an order in just 10 nanoseconds. That's 10 million times faster than your blink. In 10 nanoseconds, light itself only travels the length of a small car. That's how close to the exchange these HFT servers have to be.
So what's the prize for this speed? Every year, high-frequency trading firms rake in up to $35 billion, more than Iceland's entire economy. And that's just the start. Let's back up. This speed war started when traders realized even the laws of physics were a bottleneck. Light can't go faster than light, and in HFT, every inch matters. That's why HFT firms literally move their servers into the same building as the exchange, shaving off meters, nanoseconds, millions. The closer you are, the richer you get.
And when the ocean's in the way, build a new cable. The Hibernia Express undersea line was laid just to cut 6 milliseconds off trades between Chicago and London.
That 6 milliseconds, less than an eye twitch, meant millions in profits. In that time, light could lap the Earth 1.5 times. Imagine racing your own money against physics. But wait, it gets even more extreme. Microwave towers now beam trades between Chicago and New York, beating fiber optics by 3 milliseconds. In 3 milliseconds, a cheetah at full sprint could cover a basketball court. In that same blink, an HFT bot could arbitrage millions across 2 exchanges. Here's what's wild. Today, 50 to 65% of all U.S. stock trades are done by machines. For every 10 trades on Wall Street, at least 5 happen because of code, not people. Think humans are still calling the shots? Most trades you see on your favorite app are basically background noise to the bots. By the time you notice, they're already gone. At the center of this world, Citadel Securities. In 2025 alone, Citadel pulled in $12.2 billion, out-earning NASA's entire annual budget. Citadel's profits? $6.5 billion in EBITDA, enough to pay every Major League Baseball player's full salary for a season. Their war chest? $21 billion, bigger than entire cities. Their engineering talent? Citadel spent $3.5 billion just on payroll, enough to pay every teacher in Chicago for 2 years. Virtu Financial, Citadel's rival, isn't far behind. They made $3.63 billion last year, enough to buy every new car sold in Norway. Their profits? $912 million net, almost $1 billion in pure algorithmic profit. Imagine buying every seat in Madison Square Garden 18 times over with that cash. But here's the kicker. Virtu's profit margins are out of this world. 72% of their revenue turns to profit. If a pizza shop had those margins, $7.20 of every $10 pizza is pure gain. How much influence do these giants have? Citadel alone handles 40% of all U.S. retail trades. 4 out of every 10 times a regular American buys or sells, Citadel's bots are there first. And when new frontiers open, like crypto, Citadel dives in, dropping $200 million into exchanges like Kraken. The speed war never ends. The battlefield just changes. But all this speed has a dark side. In 2010, a runaway algo feedback loop erased $1 trillion in stock value in just 36 minutes, the infamous flash crash. For millions, money vanished before anyone could even react. And here's the part that should give every regular investor chills. Every time you click Buy on your app, over 1,000 algorithms have already seen your move and scalped a sliver of profit before it even reaches the exchange. It's like trying to grab the last slice at a party after 1,000 people already dove for it. Your trade? Already sampled, analyzed, and squeezed for another penny. So, next time you buy a stock, remember, you're not just playing the market, you're racing 1,000 invisible machines, each moving at the speed of physics itself. If you could upgrade your brain to outtrade every bot for even a single second, what would you do with that edge?
Drop your wildest idea in the comments. I want to see how you'd outsmart the nanosecond market.